I can't believe I lived my whole life without knowing this. A maid revealed the secret to me. We put 100 milliliters of water in a pot. 4 tablespoons of detergent. This is a secret of domestic workers. We put only 4 tablespoons of vinegar. See the chemical reaction that is taking place here. And see these 2 pots, they are impregnated, unclean. This dirt does not come off. We already tried to wash them with steel sponge. We already use all kinds of soap and it doesn't come out. I asked a retired maid for help, and she revealed this secret to me, which I'm going to show you now. Look at the magic, look what will happen to these pots. We will use a dry sponge. Put in the mixture that the retired housekeeper taught me. See how it foams. Here we have vinegar which is a fortifier. The vinegar made this into a powerful soap. Now we are going to scrub. We scrub normally, but there is no need to force it. The dirt comes off and the metal begins to shine. And see, the dirt melts and comes out as if by magic with this mixture. See, the metal has already begun to shine. It was a retired domestic worker who taught me this secret. This does not come out. I already tried to remove it with a steel sponge. I put it in here, do you see? I put it in here, and this mixture will start to penetrate the outer layer of the metal. This is going to make all that embedded dirt come out. Do you see that the reaction has already started? See the chemical reaction inside. See what I'll do now. I'm going to rub without force. If you clean this pot, you would normally suffer, you would have pain in your arms, and it would not be shiny. Look, see, come and see. See that it is already shiny with just one rub. Now let's rinse. See how intense the shine, see how this mixture works. What a wonderful result. You can have this result in your home. Don't throw away pots. Clean your pots using this tip. I'm going to pass a